friends, today we're in the kitchen instead of the garden and we are going to make sun-dried tomatoes. Now I wanted to actually make them sun-dried in the sun. I did a little research, but it takes like 4 to 6 weeks and we have a massive squirrel population and I was just scared that there was no way that my tomatoes would not be attacked by squirrels on a daily basis. So instead, I've got the trusty dehydrator out and we're gonna give this a try with the dehydrator. So first step, we're gonna take these cute 5 little tomatoes. I have 3 Sans Marzano and 2 Lemon Boys. I thought they would be pretty in the jar. And we are going to slice them in about 1/4 inch slices after I take the core out. Okay, now that they're all chopped up, we are going to lay them in single layers on the dehydrator trays. There's not that many, they might all fit on one. We shall see. Let's do 2. You want a tomato? Okay, so we have 2 trays, single layer of tomatoes. We are going to pop them in the dehydrator. Now, all dehydrators are a little bit different. The setting for fruits and vegetables on mine is 135 degrees. So that's what I'm setting it on. Pop on the top, plug her in, set for 135. Now we wait and wait and wait some more. It takes about 6 to 8 hours for the tomatoes to dry down. Every tomato will be different. It depends how much water there is in them. So you just need to keep checking as you go. So I'm just gonna let these dehydrate away and I will get back to you when they're done. Talk to you soon. Okay, now it's time to put our dried tomatoes into a jar. Now, these ones took about 4 hours. So I know I said 6 to 8 hours. Here's the thing about tomatoes. They all have different water contents. It depends on what size you cut them. So you really just need to be watching them and see what you're looking for is for them to be dry, kind of pliable, and not squishy or juicing. You just want all the juice to be evaporated out of them. So I have my 2 trays of tomatoes. We are going to put them in a jar with some basil, rosemary, and oregano and extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to start with the oregano at the bottom, then some tomatoes. I like to make things pretty, so we will mix up the colors. Then a few basil leaves. After the basil, some more tomatoes. Some more oregano. Just layer it, make it pretty. Couple more basil, and then 1 sprig of rosemary. Fill your jar. You are trying to cover up the tomatoes fully. Pop the top on. You can stick these in the refrigerator for 3 to 6 months. The oil will get solid, not a problem. You'll see that it's kind of cloudy, solid when you open it up and you're scooping them out. It's like you're scooping out solid butter, coconut oil, something like that. Just scoop out what you want, put them in your dish, stick it back in the refrigerator. You are all set for your very own sun-dried tomatoes from your garden. If you like to garden, if you like to preserve, cook, can, all things playing around with food, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. These are the things we do over here on Garden Avenue. Thanks, bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.